Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve recursive sequence. In this question we have to solve a mathematical sequence. For every number n which is given in the input, we'll have to calculate this sequence which is sum of multiple of n numbers. But how? See, first we'll take the sum of first one number, then multiple sum of multiple of next two numbers, then three numbers, then four, then five, and then six, so on till the end terms. Till the end terms. Cool. And n terms does not mean n number, which we need n terms. Let's see, for example, one. It is not up to one, not up to five. It is five such terms. One is such term. Two into three is one term. Okay, let's see the sequence over here. Okay, first time one, then next two numbers, multiple of next two numbers, added to the multiple of next three numbers, added to the multiple of next four numbers, and added to the multiple of next five numbers. That is, and see, it went up to 15, but we were given input as five only. This is the cache. This is the catch over here. This was such confusion. It is not the first n numbers, but n terms. And term is the multiple of n numbers. Multiple of n numbers. Okay. See in example 7. You have first term as 1, second term as next two multiplication, then multiplication of next three numbers, multiplication of next 4, 5, 6, and 7 numbers. Multiplication of such numbers. Okay. This is what you have to do. And this is pretty straightforward question. You do not have to, this not quite a no-brainer kind of question. First of all, I initialize two variables, result, to store the result which will return at the end, and current. Current will hold the current sequence. Current sequence. Okay. Current will help us in calculating the current sequence. Okay. Now I will start a loop for I in range from 1 to 1, 1 to n. Okay. This I will go from 1 to n because we have to do n such sequences. We have to calculate n sequences. That is why I did the loop from 1 to n plus 1, which will eventually go till n only. And for every sequence, see, we have to return a sum. We have to return sum of n numbers. Sum of n numbers. Okay. So I will initialize a variable sum will hold the current sum, the current pattern sum, current sequence sum. Now again a loop for I in range. This time it will go from 1 to I plus 1. 1 to I plus 1 because when I is 1, this will go one step. That is what we will get 1. When I is 2, it will go from 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 3, but we have only, but the loop will only go to till 2 only. Then 2 into 3, then 4, 5, 6, and so on. I have not given it any variable because we do not need it. We just need it to run, fixed number of times and do not need its, variable name. Then multiply the current number with the sum. Multiply the current number with the sum. Multiply the current number with the sum. Okay, that is what we have to do. And at the end, we'll add this current sum with the result. With the result. Current sum with the result. Okay, that is how we'll form our pattern. When we calculated 1, we'll add it to the 1, then 2 into 3 added to the 1, then 4, 5, 6 added to the previous sum, 7, 8, 9, 10 added to the previous sum. Okay, successively till n terms. Cool. And at the end, since I will return res, but you have to return modulo. Why modulo? So that this number does not exceed the, prescribed range of the integers. In Python, you don't face such problem, but in other languages, you will face such problem. That is why you are given this number. Okay, for I in range. What is the issue? Let me pause it. Okay, so I'm missing a colon over here. It should do the job. Colon was missing. Although I gave indentation, but why initialization is correct for range 1 to 1 plus 1. Sum is 1 plus 1. So code output is okay. So this current number should be initialized as 1 because if you multiply any number with 0, it will return 0 only. And that is what we need to take care of. Okay, yeah. This time it does not commit any mistake and it did the job pretty effortlessly. Okay. Although it is taking time since it is n square and n square is prescribed in the equation. In the equation, time complexity is given as expected complexity is given as order of n square. But since it is Python, so it is taking somewhat more time than other languages. So I hope you learned the concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.